Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll introduce how to assign different colors to different nets in EasyEDA PCB to make routing and inspection clearer. First, enter the PCB editor. On the left side, in the project design panel, select net to view the list of all nets in the current PCB. After expanding the list, you will see nets such as GND, VCC, and other signal nets. Select the net for which you want to change the color. Click the color indicator next to the net name to open the color selection window. In this window, you can select a color directly from the palette or enter a hex color code for more precise color control. After confirming the selection, the routing color for the net will be updated immediately. This approach helps distinguish power, ground, and signal net more clearly. It also reduces the chance of mistakes when routing dense areas. During design checks, reviews, or PCB demonstrations, the layout will be easier to read. If there are multiple important nets, it is recommended to assign different colors to each one to improve layout and review efficiency. This concludes the introduction to PCB net color settings. Thank you for watching.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.